Welcome back, everybody. It's Tracy with the Y. I'm going to do a quick video. This is my swimming pool. I'm going to net those leaves off, and as soon as I get my water siphoned off, I think I'm going to go ahead and take my cover off, even though I probably won't start my pool till about mid-April. I'll just run my pool Dolphin to keep it clean and shock it occasionally. All right, I'll let you watch me. I'm just throwing them over the ledge. Actually, I'm going to try to pull them a little closer to me so they'd be easier to get. It's a beautiful day out. It's sunny. A little chilly, but good. I just ran 2.5 miles. Woohoo! Okay, so I'll probably finish here and then I'll bring you back whenever I decide to take off the cover. I'm going to need help for that, with that. It's usually a 2-person job. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling the leaves to me, and then I'm just netting them off. I didn't bring my tripod out, so I'm just gonna have to watch. I don't usually open my pool till late April, 1st of May. Last year I probably shouldn't have opened it till June. It was really cold in Ohio. I did not have a good pool season last year. It was cold and rainy. There's a good bit of leaves on there, more than it didn't look like a lot when I started. Of course, like I'm spread out now. Anyways, I'm going to show you and then I'll shut you off since I don't have my tripod. See the leaves? I'll finish netting those off. Over there's pretty blue. Over here's a little funky. Anyways, thanks for watching. To be continued. Hey guys, welcome back to Tracy with the Y. I'm going to attempt to take my pool cover off. I don't recommend you do this alone. It helps if you have 2 people, especially with a round pool. But we're going to try. You know what? If all else fails, I have a really good pool cleaner, the Maytronics Dolphin, and what little bit of leaves are there and a little bit of water will clean it up in probably an hour. So pray I don't fail. So I got to loosen the cable, the winch and the cable. Okay. So I'm going to loosen it, and then I'm going to try to fold it in a burrito style or quesadilla style. This needs to be loosened. It is a little windy today. That's my only concern. But other than that, we should be fine. Okay. Also have my siphon ready to run. The goal is here to, I'm stuck on my upright. The water looks clear. See, if I had two people, we could do this. I'm going to do this side, and I'm going to start my siphon so it can pump out that water so it'd be lighter for me to lift up. Give me 1 minute here. My swimming pool's on the side of a hill, so it's hard to get around. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I got that siphon in there. Try not to speak too soon. It might be light enough for me to, whoopsie, pull right off. Maggie's right there. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Now this is where it would be nice to have a second person because we could both be pulling. But I think I did it all by myself. Yes. Oh, wait a minute. There's a little bit of leaves in there. Okay. So I'll have to run my pull dolphin. But let me show you. My water's still crystal clear. I did spill a little bit right there, but I'll put a little pool shock in there, run my dolphin, and it'll be crystal clear in probably the next hour. Anyways, I'm pretty impressed. Woohoo!